Choosing the best collectible trading card album can be difficult as there are so many considerations, such as Suez, BCW, Herca, Clorox, Valdex. We're here to help you to pick out the top 5 best collectible trading card albums with our handy buying guide. Our expert team has searched and evaluated a wide range of collectible trading card albums, ranging in price from $6 to $29. According to our research, we think Suez collectible trading card album is the best overall. Scroll through the rest of our list and check out If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my details. So let's jump to the video without the Number 1. Card sheets for standard size cards. Premium quality. Archival quality pages that are acid-free and no PVC. Top loading. Suez 9 pocket page protector, 9 pocket for each page protector, 36 pages. You can put 2 cards in one sleeve. Page protector fit for standard 3-ring binder. Transparent card sleeves. The see-through pocket page protectors keeps contents visible, allow you to see your cards clearly without taking them out. Suitable for standard size cards. Hold standard size cards with 2.5x 3.5 dimensions or smaller. Multifunction. Card protector sleeves can be used for game cards, Pokémon cards, Yu-Gi-Oh cards, Animal Crossing Amiibo cards, calibration receipts, trading cards, business cards. Number 2. Herca trading card sleeve pages perfect design. Top loading pocket is an easy access. As long as you keep card protector sheets flat or upright, nothing would fall out. Reinforced heat-sealed seams extend its durability. 11 holes keep papers safe in the most ring binders. Wide application. The trading card sleeve pages are perfect for all standard size trading cards, such as sports cards, baseball cards, football cards, game cards, Yu-Gi-Oh cards, Pokémon cards, trading cards, coupons, business cards, mini photos or other cards. Satisfying service. We always strive to choose the high-quality materials and provide the most intimate service, and commit that the premium products and exquisite packaging will provide you with a satisfying purchasing experience. Premium material. Our card sleeves are made of clear polypropylene, acid-free and no-toxic, durable, and waterproof. Non-stick and non-glare, 100% safe for you to protect your cards. Dimensions and package. Page dimensions, 8.9 x 11.4. Pocket dimensions, 2.7 x 3.7. Each card sleeve page has 9 pockets, all 100 pages provide. Number 3. Trading card binder. Compatible with variety collectible cards, Clorox carry case zipper binder compatible with other standard size trading cards. Perfect fit for playing card games for Pokémon TCG cards, Joking Hazard game, Monopoly Deal card game, Phase 10 card game, Drop Mix Music gaming system cards, Dutch Blitz card game, baseball cards, basketball cards and much more. Unique design and perfect for gifts, our card's binder case looks bright and colorful, simple and elegant appearance loved by different ages of people, making you feel distinctive and different from other normal binder in the market. Perfect for a Thanksgiving Day gift, Christmas gift and so on. Large capacity meet collection needs, stores 400 cards, huge storage capacity to meet your collection hobby, and keep your trading cards in mint condition and organized. See through every detail and artwork, no need to take cards out of the pocket sheets, it is the ideal binder. Durable and waterproof, multi-layer protection for trading cards made with high-density EVA foam and PU leather. Our carrying case binder is comfortable to touch and hold in hands. It also has good shock and moisture resistance. Closed zipper design provides multiple protections, so that the inner page or cards does not fall. Number 4. Pocket trading card album folder. Protect with a lightweight padded layer built into each page. The Valdex trading card holder protects your cards from scrapes and dings, keeping them in mint condition. 9 pocket per page premium quality zip-up trading card binder. With padded, extra rigid front and rear covers made from non-slip, water-resistant Exotech material. 20 pages holding 360 cards. Made from archival safe, acid-free non-PVC material. Size inner pocket size. 2.7 inches x 3.8 inches folder size. 10.2 inches x 13.8 in secure side loading pockets designed to keep your cards securely in place. High-quality zip keeps the Valdex trading card folder closed when not in use. No more card spills. Perfect design. The Valdex binder is designed to fit a variety of TCG and sports cards. Compatible with all standard card protection. Number 5. Trading card binder with sleeves. Soft, water-resistant premium-friendly PU leather binder with zipper keeps your rare dragons and magical powers safe and ready for battle. Stylish. 4-pocket trading card binder has 50 transparent double-sided pages and fits up to 400 cards. Our 3-ring binder lets you easily add or remove the sheets as your collection grows. Great present for sport card collector, basketball, baseball cards, soccer, racing, wrestling, hockey, NFL, football cards and more. Config cards and standard penny sleeves. Trading cards are not included. Endless creative uses. For K-pop photo card binder, baseball portfolio folder, BTS photo card binder, baseball gifts for boys, card collection binder, instant Polaroid photo album, see organizer. Better organizer than your deck box. Compatible with most TCG and CCG. Pokémon, Yu-Gi-Oh! Star Wars, Justice League, Force of Will, Card Fight Vanguard, WoW, Naruto, Final Fantasy, MTG, DBZ, Slenders, Fortnite. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or want to know the price of the product, please see my description for any problem. Please comment below. Stay up to date with our great products. It makes your life so much easier.